Let's start by drawing a circle in the middle of the screen. I'm going to center the circle and scale it up so it doesn't take up the whole space. Then go to Effects and add a gradient overlay. For the first color, I'm going to choose a yellow. And for the last color, I'm going to choose a darker red. I'm also going to make sure the alpha isn't set to 100. Then rename the layer to background and make a new layer. So I'm going to create the text in the middle and choose a cool font I like. And then I'm going to scale up the text so it goes outside of the circle. And I'm also going to rotate it a little bit. Then add another gradient overlay to the text. And this time I'm going to choose a darker red color and a lighter almost orange red. Then I'm going to turn down the scale and rotate it so the light color is coming from the top. And I'm going to add an outer glow effect and change the color to white. I'm going to add a bevel effect and change the size and soften so that it isn't too hard. I'm also going to add an inner glow effect and change the color to dark red and turn down the size so it isn't too big. I'm going to click on the background layer, and if I want I can add an outer glow effect and change the color to a darker orange. Or I can add a drop shadow effect, and I'm going to turn up the distance and change the color so it's a dark bluish color. So that's it. Thanks for watching the tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one.